From the weather team you can trust, here's Chief Meteorologist Eric Sneidel.
There's talk, all this chatter about impending warmer weather, and it's true. I mean, we're talking about it for a reason, but it's not here yet. Temperatures tonight are cold. A lot of us are down in the teens at this hour. At the airport, we are at 18 degrees. The recipe here for a cold night now this time of year. Clear sky, check. Light winds. Double check on that when winds are calm, which means we could feasibly fall closer to the dew point, losing a few more degrees, but only if all those variables stay the same. And the clear sky will, but the other one, the wind component, will not. And very subtly behind the scenes, you could start to see the early evidence of this weak wind flow beginning to turn southerly. So you've got a night right now where it's actually colder in Rochester than it is off to our south in some of even the higher elevations. 22 in Wellsville. Look at Sodas right now. They're already down to 12 degrees. I guess the nice thing about a night like this with calm winds is there's almost no effect or negligible effect in the wind chill department. So it's not going to be the worst thing we've ever seen in terms of bitter cold to start the morning, but definitely the winter coats, which you will be losing by the afternoon as highs jump into the 40s. Satellite and radar right now, it's not crystal clear, but it's clear enough that mainly clear is still the appropriate wording. Quick hitting shot of some snow showers across Lake Huron and Georgian Bay. A lot of this is going to continue to slide due eastward, so the overall brush of the southern extent of cloud cover with this probably passes over the northern flank of Lake Ontario. Outside of that, I mean, look at the runway that we've got off to our west. There is very little happening. This is why tomorrow will be another day with a good dose of sunshine. The difference tomorrow, though, because we had a good dose of sunshine today, is the wind component. All it takes this time of year is more of a southerly flow. That allows that sunshine to be much more effective in your temperatures, climbing into the lower and middle 40s. Now, on our 8-day, you're going to see a high temperature on Saturday in the 40s, and there's a reason for it. It's because it's going to be accurate. We will get into the low 40s. That's 4 o'clock in the morning. Now, for whatever reason, unless you just really want to be up at 4 o'clock in the morning, you're never going to feel that 41-degree temperature. By 10 a.m., we've lost almost 10 degrees. Many of us down in the low and mid 30s, and then we just keep on falling in the 20s going into Saturday evening and Saturday night. Familiar territory here. It's going to look and feel wintry. Some snow showers begin to get going into Saturday night, and perhaps just a touch of lake effect, especially early into a much chillier Sunday, which, by the way, on Sunday, welcome to meteorological spring. It's March 1st on Sunday, and you're going to be falling into the teens late in the day. Forecast snow amounts out of this, maybe an inch or two, and that's pretty much going to be it. So we're not talking about anything significant there. Let's get into the warmer stuff, shall we? That's the conversation we're here for. This is the trend beyond the next week. So we're looking more toward like 7 to 14 days out there. First and second weeks of March. That is a hard lean toward above average temperatures. You could be 1 or 2 degrees above average and that map would still be accurate. This time of year, that doesn't mean much. We're going to be way more than just 1 or 2 degrees, Teresa. I think by about Friday of next week, we're pushing close to 50 degrees. By next weekend, the smart money says at least 60s for highs around here. It's been a while. 60s.
So that